Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over some technical analysis on three of the stocks that we cover: ZNOG, ticker symbol ZNOG, IQSTEL, ticker symbol IQST, and Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Currently, the markets, the futures are looking red, looking like another red day today. That doesn't mean we'll stay red, but we're going to at least open red from what it's looking like, and we'll see. Maybe, I don't know if we can close green on a Friday, or if it's just going to be nasty and the market will go down some more. But either way, we're going to focus on these three stocks, because this one specifically, while the market's been down, this one's been up. Okay, so we're going to take a look here at the resistance and support levels. As we've talked about in previous videos, your support's about 16, almost 17 cents, and your resistance is 22 cents, which we've gotten actually rejected there 1, 2, 3, 4 times. However, as you see right at the close, we got a buy signal here, and this buy signal here, this different color little arrow usually signals that we're going to have a little bit more pop and move to the upside. It's not always a guarantee, because sometimes it'll just go away, but typically it means that more volume is coming and we're going to push forward and go above where we're at. However, we are close to overvalued or overbought territory, which then again means that we're due for some type of pullback. So the big thing here is we got to get above 22 cents and actually hold above 22 cents. So it'd be nice if we can push up and get to about 24 to 25, and then that 22 cent level would now act as support. You got to get above and stay about 23 cents in order for us to confirm that we're above the red SMA line and we're in a longer term trend reversal, which would mean we'd be more in a bull pattern and an uptrend if we did that. So 22 cents your first level of resistance, and right about you can call it, go ahead, 26 cents, then about 30, then 34.5, and then 42 is your tip top, of course, for ZNOG. So no news this week, so you just kind of all eyes forward for next week on Monday and Thursday. IQST, well, this thing's about to update on the fib level. Probably next week we'll probably update. However, it may not be that much different, because the highs are pretty close to the same, about 105. You're pretty much at the very bottom of the fib level, and this is, again, I've been saying anything under 50 cents is where you want to accumulate in here, because I think we're going to go to $1, and that's going to provide 3x returns, over 3x returns if you're buying in from here. So currently sitting at about 34 cents. You got to get above about 36 cents and hold in order to confirm a reversal and move to the upside. 45 cents is your current resistance, 28 cents overall support. This one here has been saying that they're going to be uplisted to the NASDAQ this year, and they've been very vocal about how they feel like nothing's going to stop them from doing that. They're on track to do that. The thing I like about this stock, kind of compared to ZNOG, is this stock actually has revenue coming into the company, and they update their shareholders. Even if it's not like this big, huge, significant update, they'll come and have a letter coming out to the shareholders, letting them know, telling them like, this is what's been going on with the company. This is what our plans are. We're projected to hit X amount of revenue this upcoming year, blah, 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 blah. So, and it's done several times since I've either followed or been in the stock, where it goes from about 30 or 40 cents to $1 or over $1. So for me, this is a huge gain, a huge percentage increase if it comes from here to $1, as you see here. And the tip top of the fib level is 105. Usually when you get there, you see a pullback or a rejection. So I want to make sure that I'm playing it safe and getting out at about $1. That's going to provide some very, very big gains from 34 cents all the way to $1. Okay, I know it's not a very big price, but percentage-wise, which is what you want to keep an eye on and keep into consideration, is a very, very big gain for IQST. And the last one, guys, is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. This one's actually held up pretty well, considering how volatile the market's been, and after that bad red day, it really hadn't been that terrible. So it got as high as about 306, We fell down and bounced off a support of 290, got back up to about 309. Now we're falling back down. We're in the about right about 300. So as long as we bounce at about 292, 290 range, if we fall down that and from there we bounce again, I would think that's that's a good sign for us. However, we did get rejected several times at 304. We want to see basically us get above 304. That's going to take just one green day in the markets for us to bounce and fly above 304 and have that act as support. Currently it's resistance. Support's currently at about 281. Okay, so let's take a look kind of as a little bonus pick here to S&P 500. We're going to take a look at that and see how this looks overall, because we want to make sure to know where the support and resistance levels are on it. As you see here, this is actually about to update as well. Probably next week I'll be able to do another video and I could update the technical analysis. But the fib level, the tip top is 48.1862 currently. It's not going to be that next week for the 180-day 4 hours. It's going to be about 47.50 probably, I would assume. Currently right now we're at a very crucial level of 38.89. That's the overall your support level right here is where you want to see it maybe kind of die out at and then bounce off of this. And the good news is if we do go lower than that, I don't see us going too much lower than that, at least not today, because we're close to undervalued or oversold territory, which usually when that happens, you're going to see some buying pressure come in and we're going to push it back up. And it looks kind of like a double bottom from here. We hit once, went up, hit it again. So I think that we should come up and retest that 4100 level. I'm just not sure that it'll be today. I'm thinking maybe next week, maybe the market's kind of get over the temper tantrum and we start kind of moving up and maybe retest that 4100 level again. But we got to get above this red SMA line. If we do go lower than this of the 38.89, then your low, overall low of this time frame is 36.87. And now if we do that, then I think that probably would be a good bottom point for the markets, because that's what happened the last time they fell down and we started rallying up, and now we're falling down, but pretty much giving away all our gains. But as long as we can just get some consistency and have again, like I said in my video this week, have the government stop doing stupid things and stop printing money, which I don't think they're going to do, but if we could just get a little bit of consistency and a little bit of common sense from them, then that would actually help the markets out. But that's kind of yet to be seen over the past couple of years. So anyway, guys, that's my video for today. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.